Hey, don't forget, an informed consumer is the best consumer. Are you struggling to find the right home? Well, renovation loans and loans that allow for work to be done are things that you should be exploring, or you may want to explore. Forgive me, I don't want to tell you what you should and shouldn't do. These are just some suggestions from an expert, somebody that knows this industry pretty well. But in any event, renovation loans are probably one of the financial tools in the mortgage world that are probably overlooked the most. Um, I would say that if anybody's ever had one experience with a renovation loan, it's been a bad experience, and so they don't ever want to go back to that. Builders, realtors, consumers. But for those that have done it before and have had a good experience, it's made a world of difference. Buying homes at below market value, building equity into it immediately with renovation loan. And one of the keys is finding a contractor that's familiar with renovation loans. Once you, the borrower, are approved for the loan, the money's then guaranteed. It's as simple as that. So the contractors that know the product and know the process, they don't shy away from these. It's money in the bank, as they say. And if you're a realtor watching this, all you need to do is help us get from point A to point B. That's the closing. And then you're done. We still got to get from point B to point C. That's with the client, the consumer, with the building and the contractor. But again, if you're an agent, don't shy away from this product. It will help open the door to more inventory right now and possibly get a better deal on a home that might be sitting, for who knows why. But if you're looking at a house and you're not sure how to finance it, please reach out to me or somebody from my team. We will help you out. Thanks again. Keith Tatum, Guaranteed Rate.